Wow, I like this. Whoa. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Wow, I like this. Whoa. That's a lot of... That's a lot of stack fab right there.
Yeah, it is.
Very nice. And you got wood roof?
Yeah.
That helped?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, dude. Awesome. So these, what sundowns are these?
CB4
CB4s, okay. What amp?
Salt 6K.
Okay. Very nice. Where's your battery?
Yeah, it's 100 they come with.
100, oh, okay. What size is it?
It's a 100 amp hour.
Okay.
On the lower side, when I play lower hertz,
Yeah.
I like to have both the windows down. It just gives
More open air.
It sounds better.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Nick.
Nick. All right. Appreciate it, Nick.
Yes, sir.
You have a good day.
Good job.
That's a cool box.
Thank you.
I guess it's called stack fab. I mean, what do you call it when you have your port like that?
Area ports.
Area port. Go on, but this is JacobViral. Quick little commentary before we get to the bass demo. Really excited to see how this thing sounds today. Before that, I just want to say thank y'all for watching my daily cardio videos and being subscribed, as well as giving Nick a thumbs up for the great walk around of his system. And just wanted to make quick little comments. So this is a stacked fab Area port. As you can see here, these ports are actually fabricated out of pieces of wood. Every 3/4 inch or 1 inch thick piece of wood, there's a new circle cut out, and they glued all of these together. It looks like they resined it or something, and there's a solid wood floor platform as well. And also you can see the roof work as well. They have a solid roof that is wooden as well, and they filled in all of their area holes with some foam, so a lot of work has been done to make this vehicle withstand the bass pressure. It's tearing it up still, as he was saying, but they did the best they could to make sure that they structurally set it up right to handle that pressure and to get a higher SPL score. But anyway, hope y'all are enjoying the bass demo so far. Once again, shout out to Nick for a really great bass demo we're about to hear. And I hope you enjoy my videos, and let's get to the demo. Sweet. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. All right. It's tearing the roof up a good bit, you can tell, flexing.
Yes.
I also noticed when you put that window down, it kind of opened up a little bit. So
Yeah, on the lower side, when I play lower hertz,
yeah,
I like to have both the windows down. It just gives
more open air.
It sounds better.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Nick.
Nick. All right, appreciate it, Nick.
Yes, sir.
You have a good day.
Yes, sir.
That's a cool box.
Thank you.
I guess it's called stack fab. I mean, what do you call it when you have your port like that?
Area ports.
Area port. Okay. Sweet. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.